Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.13. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's current law. According to this law, a cumulative current on any node inside an electrical network is always equal to 0. Sum of all entering currents on a node is always equal to sum of all leaving currents from that node. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.13. Find value of current I1 in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to find the value of current I1 in this circuit. In this circuit, the only information that is provided is in the form of currents, and it is asked to calculate the value of current as well. No other parameter related to circuit elements is specified, so we will use Kirchoff's current law to solve this problem because this law is purely based on currents. Inside this network, we have multiple nodes, but our main focusing nodes will be these two nodes. We will start from this node. On this node, 12 mA current is entering while 4 mA current is leaving from this node. Other current from this node is unknown. The direction of other current is not specified. So if we focus on this node, 12 mA current is entering while only 4 mA current is leaving from this node. The rest of current should also leave from this node in order to make a cumulative current 0 on this node. So the direction of unknown current that is labeled as I will also leave from this node. Now apply Kirchoff's current law on this node. Entering current is 12 mA while leaving currents are 4 mA and I. Open this bracket. Minus will multiply with both values inside the bracket and both will become minus 4 mA and minus I. Now place this variable I on the other hand side of equal and subtract 4 mA from 12 mA to calculate its value, that is 8 mA. Move to the next node. On this node 2 mA current is entering and 8 mA current is entering, that is coming from this node. Only one current is leaving, that is labeled as I1, and this is the required parameter we have to calculate. Apply Kirchoff's current law on this node and write its equation. 8 mA and 2 mA currents are entering while I1 is leaving. So both of these currents will be taken with positive sign and leaving current will be taken with minus sign. Now inside this equation only one variable exists, that is I1. Place I1 on the other hand side of equal to make it positive. Now add these currents together to calculate the value of I1, that is 10 mA. So 10 mA current is leaving from this node. This was exercise problem number 2.13. Thank you. See you again in next video.